स्वामी प्रत्युग बोधानंद जी महाराज को उनको जानने वाले एक हास्य से परिपूर्ण और आध्यात्मिक मेधा के धनी आत्मीय संत के रूप में जानते हैं। स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती जी महाराज के शिष्य स्वामी प्रत्युग बोधानंद जी अर्ष विद्या गुरुकुलम में कोविड-19 के कारण इन दिनों ऑनलाइन प्रवचन श्रृंखलाओं के लिए समर्पित थे। कैवल्य उपनिषद पर भी उन्होंने संबोधन किया। भागवत सप्ताह का आयोजन भी ऑनलाइन किया। सितंबर के महीने में भी वो प्रवचन के द्वारा भक्ति रस प्रवाह में समर्पित थे। कल शाम एक संबोधन के बाद जब वो अपने कक्ष में पहुंचे तो शाम 5 बजे के बाद हार्ट अटैक हुआ और वो हमारे बीच से चले गए। स्वामी प्रत्युग बोधानंद जी पेंसिल्वेनिया से कई नगरों की यात्रा करते थे। न्यूयॉर्क शहर भी उनका आना कई बार हुआ था। पहुंचाते हैं झलकियां उनके हाल ही में किए गए संबोधन की और साथ ही अंश उस भेंट वार्ता का जो हिंदू टेम्पल में शिवरात्रि के अवसर पर उनके साथ ITV गोल्ड के दर्शकों के लिए किया गया था।
What is the Paramatma Rupam? That which is Param, that which is Atma, that which is supreme, we can say in a way, Param, that which is the highest, and that which is Atma. Atma means Pratyagatma. Pratyagatma means innermost self is Parabrahma, Paramatma, Atma. This is called again the identity between me and the limitless Brahman. Akhanda Brahman and me both are one is revealed here by Upanishad.
So tell me, when you meditate on Lord Krishna every day, is he new every day or there is one particular feature of him that keeps recurring?
Lord being a mischievous child of Vrindavan is never same, always new. Nitya Nutana always comes in a different form, and every Leela, the play, has an underlying great meaning also. It's not just a Leela, like stealing the butter, is stealing our vasana, stealing whatever habitual thing we have got, habits, addiction, it takes away. We don't want to part with that. So that is Krishna, and I enjoy him, and I see him every time fresh, new, and with a new enthusiasm he comes forward and blesses us.
Mahadev ji, also known as Adi Guru, and there is manifestation in the form of Bhagwan Dakshinamurti ji of Lord Shiva, about which many Hindus are also not very well familiar. Please tell us about that.
Once the Sanat Kumar, the great rishis, 4 brothers, they always remain at the age of 5. They want to, Brahma Kumara want to know the reality, the Brahma Vidya, the self-knowledge. But they want to learn it from a renunciate, because this Vidya goes well with the sannyasi. So they went to Brahmaji. Brahmaji was given to music, and Veena is played by Saraswati, and he's enjoying. He said he is also enjoying for worldly things, so he came away.